I used 50 grams of butter. Melt butter in hot skillet. Then I put 50 grams of white sugar. I added a little water. I stirred all the ingredients until they're well blended. After boiling like this, I put in 70 grams of the best quality bread flour. This is one potato that has been boiled, then mashed. The last ingredient is 1 egg. Enter into the mixture earlier, then stir until evenly distributed. Do this work with heart, then the taste will be more enjoyable. I shape the dough into a round shape like this. Then I press it using the tip of the spoon. I use chocolate as a topping. You can use whatever you like. Put in the oven and bake until cooked. This is a ripe snack. You can try to make it. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.